Okay, are y'all looking for like a date night slash maybe it's just like a photo shoot, easy to do makeup tutorial? Okay, I gotcha. So I'm going in with the Choco Fusion by You Can Be and then also the KAB Cosmetics palette. Both of these are really, really good neutrals palettes. And you have lots of multiple shades to pick from them. And then this one you can actually take on the go with you because it has a mirror. I'm going to go and start by prepping my eyes with the Alter Ego eyeshadow primer base. Okay, I'm going to go in with this beautiful light nude shade and then with a big fluffy brush and then just tap it and then just blend this everywhere all the way up to the brow bone. Okay, I kind of really like this like orangish tone. So that is why I use this one. And then I just keep this closer into like the crease area. This shade up here, this for the V, the outer V. Okay, so now you want to blend, but we're going to take this shade right here. Okay, and then you tap it and then you just go right above where you had your crease shade because you don't want to take this one to the brow. Have that where it looks blended. Your fluffy brush, but nothing on it, like pick no more products up and then just blend on the edges. Make sure all your edges look smooth and good. And pick up whatever glitter color that you like. This one is by Sahara Nights. Oh my god, if I can even say that. By Elise. Jeez. Okay, anyways, and I'm gonna take my Miami. Really beautiful, absolutely beautiful pigmented shimmer color. And then I just leave that in the inner towards the middle. Okay, so then we go back in with that beautiful, find a shade similar. You don't have to have these exact palettes. That's why I'm telling you. Hopefully you have some similar shades. That beautiful creamish orangish shade, neutrals. I don't know how to describe it. It's just really pretty. I know there's a similar shade in the Jaclyn Hill palette. Now we're going to go in with this one and then take that shade that we took for our V shape and then kind of start to connect those areas. I'm going to go in with the LA Girl, the artist pen, brush pen. I think it's like $7 or $8.99, but okay, so I brush it, or yeah, I push it in and then I connect a little V and then I just fill that in. Okay, and then you wind up something like that. I take two toners. I take this Heart Leaf Calming Moisturizer toner and then the Be Pure Glow Up toner. They both do really pretty good. And a weird thing is I've noticed like this fine line normally will start dissipating when I use both of them. And I'm not sure if there's some chemical in there that just helps with fine lines or not. But anyways, I just take them on a cotton pad. And for me, I like the smell of this one, but I like also this. And so I'm just like, I guess pay too much attention to see what toners actually really do in order to see if one of them makes a difference over the other one. I think both of them are really nice. And then I go in with the unnaturally natural toner. Again, I don't know what's up with me and the toners, but my face is toned, I guess. I don't know. Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Cream. Okay, my mom just got me this one, but I used to use this all the time. So I have already ran through like half of it in a week's worth of time because I really love this stuff. Absolutely like really thin, and then you just put it in multiple places, and then like you don't have to put that much on, and yet you just are able to put it all over your face. Have your face stay hydrated and looking nice under your makeup. Help your face dry down just a little bit before the next process, which will be the NYX Bear With Me Concealer. You just put it on the back of the little thing, and then I conceal like under my eyes, and then like that little red dot. I really love this stuff, and I'm gonna have to get more, but I got sent this a few years ago. I'm still using it to this day. But Zeehi, the British Museum, it's really pretty packaging. It's got a mirror in there, dirty, but you can tell I use this stuff all the time. And then just tap it into your skin And then same thing with the other side. Extremely lightweight, and it doesn't crease up. I felt like I was missing something. Anyways, this is Wet n Wild Tinted Bare Focus hydrator, and I absolutely love this. I'm almost out of it. I'm like probably only halfway, but let me see if I can make this work. So I only put the foundation right here and right here, so that does mess me up a little bit, but I'm just gonna, or I put the concealer in those areas, but I put the powder in those areas. Anyways, I'm going to use this on the rest of the areas that I did not put powder, and then just see if I can get a little bit more coverage. I thought I was missing something and I couldn't pinpoint it, so I was like, oh, I'll just move on. Okay, now we can go in with the makeup, the powder. I can't believe I did that. That's the first. But anyways, I normally just keep this right down here. I don't know why, but I don't really, I guess because I've already kind of put powder on like this area, I don't really want to go double powder on that. So I kind of keep it closer to the areas that I didn't really get powder on, and then a little bit on the forehead where I didn't really put too much of the powder. The other end, and then just blend everything in. And with the physical formula, Butter Dream, then I go in with a little bit deeper shade because I am doing this makeup for photos, so I want to make sure everything is coming through, so I do go a little bit heavier. And with the blush, I go in with the light one first and then the dark one, but I take the light one and then just keep it on like the cheekbone area or the little high tops of your cheek. Pick it up and then tap it off, and then just take it on the cheekbone area. Take this to mesh everything or melt everything together. I know this is silly, but I actually go in with this palette, the Too Faced chocolate gold palette, and then I take this shade for the contouring for the nose. It just comes out really soft and really pretty, rather than being a little bit harder. And then it's more of a contouring shade rather than a bronzing shade. Then the East States Cosmetics Lunar Beauty or Lunar Putty highlighter. I still do use, and it's probably expired, but it still performs well. And then I just take a square paintbrush and then just put a little bit on my nose. The same with the eyebrows. Okay, and then I just go over my eyebrows with the How to Be a Redhead Finally Have Lashes. Shade Auburn, and this is just their mascara, but I go over my eyebrows with it so that way my eyebrows do not move during any process of me changing clothes. Okay, so I am using the Sky High mascara. I am out of my black How to Be a Redhead mascara, and that one is absolutely the best one. So I'm gonna go in with one of my favorite lip liners by Rimmel London, and okay, I was like, I cannot find the shade on here, but anyways, okay, and with the ColourPop Lippy Stick in the shade Cami. Okay, so I'm gonna keep that in the center, and then blot my lips together, and then just pat it everywhere. Anyway, so here is the completed look, and it always comes out really, really pretty, and when it's on camera, it's absolutely gorgeous, and I really love this look. Like, this is my go-to look when I'm doing neutrals, because, like, you can just really, really wear neutrals everywhere, and just, like, play with it, so. Okay, if you recreate this look, tag me in it, because I kind of just want to see. I know it's so silly because it's just like so simple and easy to do, but at the same time, like, I just kind of want to see everyone like what their take on creating something and different techniques and all that. So anyways, y'all stay naughty and have a good day. Bye, y'all. Okay, so this is the completed finished look, and this is after about 5 o'clock, I think. Anyways.